The sum of n terms of two APs are in the ratio 5n plus 4 is to 9n plus 6. Then find the ratio of their 18th terms. So here we are given with sum of n terms of one AP divided by sum of n terms of another AP is equal to 5n plus 4 divided by 9n plus 6. Let's consider that for first AP, the first term is A and the common difference is D. For second AP, the first term is A, the capital A, and the common difference is capital D. So the sum of n terms for the first one will be written as n over 2 times the first term plus n minus 1 times D, and this is divided by n over 2a plus n minus 1 times d, and that is equal to 5n plus 4 over 9n plus 6. We can cancel out n over 2 on the left hand side. So we are left with 2a plus n minus 1 times d over 2a plus n minus 1 times d is equal to 5n plus 4 over 9n plus 6. Here, if we divide the numerator and denominator on the left-hand side by 2, we will get a plus n minus 1 over 2 times d, and the denominator will be a plus n minus 1 over 2 times d. That is equal to 5n plus 4 over 9n plus 6. We got it by dividing the numerator and denominator by 2. Comparing the numerator with 18th term formula for first AP, it should be a plus 17d, and we have a plus n minus 1 over 2d. That means n minus 1 over 2 should be equal to 17. And from here we get n minus 1 over 2 is equal to 17, or n is equal to 35. So if we substitute n equals 35, we get a plus 35 minus 1 over 2 times d, a plus 35 minus 1 over 2 times d is equal to 5 into 35 plus 4, 9 into 35 plus 6. And on the left hand side, you get the ratio of 18th terms. So 18th term of the first AP and 18th term of the second AP is equal to 179 divided by 321.